Hey guys, I am going to show you this new website that we're going to be using next week called IXL, and I'm going to take you through the steps on how to get logged into that. Okay, so if you're using my digital Google Doc like this, you should be able to just press this IXL and go to it. If not, you type in IXL.com, not Teacher Toolkit, but just IXL.com, and it'll take you to the screen. Show you. As you can see, I'm signed into Autumn's account. I'll change your username after this, Autumn, so I won't be logged into it, but I just wanted to show you how this is going to work. So in this top corner right here, you're going to put your name and password. Let's see. Gotta remember what it is. I'm going to send each of you on your Jupyter account, I'm going to send you your login and your password. So that is where you're going to get your login and your password for IXL. From this screen, you're going to go to this right here. So you've got language arts, Tennessee Standards, awards, all that kind of stuff. This right here is where I want you to go. Here I have recommended 16 skills for Autumn to work on, and some of yours may look different than each other, so all of you may not have all the same skills that you're working on. And for next week, you're going to do this 30 minutes a day, and this is what counts as your grammar grade. So 30 minutes a day, and you don't have to reach a certain level, but you have to keep trying and keep trying, and I get the analytics of that. So you're going to click here. And you're just going to keep answering these questions. So what is the word in bold? Lake Powell on the Colorado River is one of the largest man-made reservoirs in the United States. You are going to decide if it is a plural noun or a plural possessive noun. Now watch this as your teacher tries. Yay, excellent. So as you can see in this corner right here, question answered 1, it tells you your time, so that way you guys know when your 30 minutes is up, you can log out, and then it's going to give you an overall score. That is not the score that I will give you. I am giving you a participation grade, and it also tells me what I can give you next, like what you should practice on next. So hopefully all of that makes sense. It's really simple. Remember, you're going to log in at the top. You're going to go to recommendations. Nope. Yeah, recommendations. Then you're going to go to 16 skills suggested by your teacher. It may not say 16 skills. That's kind of a lot. I'm probably going to narrow it down to just a couple this week, not very many. You go to your suggested, then you click on the first one, and it'll keep going from there. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions or any trouble logging on. Again, I'm going to send you that your name and password via Jupyter. All right, guys, see you later.